Hey there, I'm Dr. Kate Kresge, here to show you how easy it is to move your Rupa account data over to Fullscript. This step-by-step guide is going to walk you through the process, so your practice can make the switch without missing a beat. Once your account is eligible to make the move to Fullscript, you'll see an email from Rupa and a notification in your lab orders dashboard, letting you know that you're ready. From the time you're notified, you'll have 14 days to complete the move. You can move right away or defer to another day. If you choose to defer, we'll remind you again in 3 days. When you're ready to make the switch, just sign into your Rupa account where you'll be asked to initiate the move. Hit the confirmation button and we'll begin to seamlessly prepare all of your vital Rupa data for transfer. From there, you'll be prompted to sign into your Fullscript account. If you don't have an existing Fullscript account, don't worry. You'll be able to create an account right within the flow. It will only take a few additional clicks. Once signed into Fullscript, you'll be asked to authorize access to your Rupa data. Once you confirm your Rupa and Fullscript account details, we'll begin transferring all of your vital Rupa data to the Fullscript platform. This includes your order history, client list, favorites, blood panels, bundles, preferred phlebotomists, and text snippets. Everything you need to keep ordering labs with ease. This process typically takes just a few minutes to complete. Congratulations, you're all set and almost ready to start using your Fullscript account. We'll offer a quick tour of the platform so you can get familiar with your new workflows, including where to find past Rupa orders and how to place new ones. Then simply sign the lab's terms of service and business agreement. Set your custom fees and reconnect your EHRs. Give everything one last review, and you're good to place new lab orders. The next time your patient logs into Rupa after you've made the switch, they'll be seamlessly redirected to Fullscript to view their lab information and purchase new tests. The process is quick and straightforward. Patients will click a link in Rupa that brings them to a screen where they'll be prompted to send themselves an activation email. The email will welcome them to Fullscript and include a link to access their account. If they already have a Fullscript account, the link will take them straight to it. If they don't, they'll be asked to create a password before being taken to their new account. Patients will find all of their historical data and any new lab orders waiting, along with past results, as soon as they land in Fullscript. But keep in mind, your patients will still need to purchase any unpaid orders sent from Rupa before you move to Fullscript. And while their past orders and test results will transfer over to Fullscript, they'll continue to have access to all of that account information on Rupa in view-only mode. And we always have a world-class customer support team ready to help them with any problems and answer any questions. Making this move painless on your practice and your patients is a top priority. That's why we're working hard to set you up for success and we'll be by your side at every step.